Here's a recipe you can make to shake up your Thanksgiving leftovers. Let's start by making biscuits. Combine flour, a little sugar, baking powder, salt, and cream of tartar with cold unsalted butter. Use a fork to break apart the butter and mix it into the flour. Now make a little well in the middle and crack in an egg, then pour in buttermilk and chopped chives. Roughly mix this with a fork, then get your hands in there to knead the dough into a rough ball. Turn the dough onto your counter and knead it a little more until it holds together. Using a lightly floured rolling pin, roll out the dough until it is about 1 inch thick. Now use a cookie cutter or a knife to form the biscuits. You can re-roll the excess dough to make more biscuits, then transfer them to a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Brush the biscuits with egg wash to give them a nice finish, then bake them at 450 for 15 minutes. Once your biscuits have cooled, cut them in half and top with leftover turkey, cranberry sauce, and a slice of brie cheese or whatever Thanksgiving leftovers you want. These would be great for a post-Thanksgiving brunch. Subscribe to Dished for more Thanksgiving recipes.